Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm here with the Samsung Galaxy Tab 10.1 from Google I/O. I'm going to show you how to connect your Wiimote controller to the tab so we can use it for emulators and stuff like that. So first, you're going to need a program called Wiimote Controller, um, and it is right here, Wiimote Controller. So you just have kind of like a stretched out version of just a normal Android app, stretched out on Honeycomb. You can go get that in the market. I can link it up on the YouTube details, but it is right here. Wiimote controller. It's free. I know a lot of the other Wiimote controller applications are $3, $4. So luckily this one's free and it works. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to use this application to connect our Wiimote controller. So first you're going to go into the controller. You can select in it and connect, but it'll say Bluetooth is turned off. So you're going to go to the settings, Wi-Fi, wireless networks, and then turn on your Bluetooth. Alright. Now we can go back to our Wiimote controller app, and then we can connect. We do 1 and 2 at the same time. It'll go into a blinking mode, and we do init and connect. Found one Wiimote. There we go. Set it to 1. So now when you press buttons on it, it'll show that it's all ready to go. And then we have to go and select Wiimote controller IME, and then you select the bottom one. So now we set the keyboard to this controller so we can use it on the emulators. So we can go back home, go to our one of few emulators. I have the Super Nintendo, the Game Boy, and the PlayStation emulator. Unfortunately, the PlayStation emulator does not work for Honeycomb. So going to the Super Nintendo, we have our list of games. Go into the settings, inputs, or first let's go to other settings. First you want to select use input method, enable special input, device, Bluetooth, gamepad. You want to enable that. And then we go back and we can go to input settings, and then you can disable the virtual keypad. Disable that so it's not showing up on the screen, and then we can go to key mappings, and then when you go to key mappings, you can select all your different types of key mappings. You just select it, and then on this, since we have the keyboard selected as the Wiimote controller, we can easily make our selections for each button. So I already have mine set up, so I can go ahead and select Super Mario World, load up Super Mario World. Alright. Now I already have a few of them set up. There you go, you can see it's working. Alright. So you could use this for, any type of emulator. I'm not sure about like other types of games, if you could select key mappings in an Android game. Also, one of the downfalls of using the Wiimote controller is that it doesn't have analog sticks. I'm not sure about the nunchuck, if you can use that. I haven't tested it. I'll have to test it another time, but it's worth a shot. I'm assuming it would probably work. I just wanted to try the Wiimote controller because I already have one of these applications, and I have 4 of these things, so, But, so once you're done with that, you can close your emulator, and then we can go back to the Wiimote controller, and you want to make sure to go into the settings and disconnect all controllers. So once you disconnect all controllers, just shut off. And that should be it. And then make sure to go back into select Wiimote controller, IME, and then go back and select your keyboard. So everything will be back to normal. But that's it. So I hope this helps. Have fun playing with your emulators on your Wiimote controller, and that should be it.